In today's fast-paced world, tools that can streamline daily operations are becoming more essential than ever, and Fireflies AI is one of those tools. This AI-powered assistant is designed to simplify the process of meeting management by transcribing your calls, providing summaries, and offering useful insights based on your conversations. It's a tool that promises to make meetings more efficient, saving businesses valuable time. But does it really deliver? Let's dive into what makes Fireflies stand out, and whether it's a good fit for your business needs. Fireflies AI has a flexible pricing structure, with different options catering to a wide range of users. There's a free plan that allows users to get started without any upfront costs. While this plan is somewhat limited, it still offers valuable features that make it a solid choice for individuals or small teams looking to transcribe their meetings without spending a dime. You can transcribe as many meetings as you need, but there is a cap on the storage and the AI summaries. If you're looking for more advanced features, Fireflies also offers paid plans. These plans give you more storage, additional AI-driven features, and integrations with other tools. While the free version is great for getting started, the paid plans offer greater flexibility and added functionalities that could make them more worthwhile for growing teams or businesses that rely on detailed insights from their meetings. For those managing larger teams, the higher-tier plans include features like unlimited summaries, enhanced search capabilities, and deeper integrations with other business tools. These features can be particularly beneficial for teams that conduct frequent meetings and need detailed reports, analytics, and easy access to meeting histories. Fireflies AI's main selling point is its ability to transcribe meetings automatically. After each meeting, Fireflies generates a detailed transcription of everything discussed. This can be incredibly valuable for teams that need to keep track of meeting outcomes but don't want to spend time typing out notes, or, even worse, trying to recall important points later on. The transcriptions are typically quite accurate, making it easy to review the discussion even if you miss part of the meeting. In addition to transcription, Fireflies AI also provides summaries of meetings. After transcribing the conversation, Fireflies distills the information into a clear, concise summary that highlights the most important takeaways. This is particularly helpful when you need to quickly skim through what was discussed, or if you're trying to find specific points without listening to the entire meeting again. Searching through past meetings is another handy feature. Fireflies allows you to easily search through your meeting transcripts by entering specific keywords. This means that if you're looking for a particular piece of information from any past discussion, you don't need to go back and listen to hours of meetings. A simple search will pull up the relevant parts of the transcript, saving you tons of time. If you manage a team, Fireflies helps you stay organized by keeping track of all the meetings you and your team members have had. It creates a feed of all recent meetings, showing you both the transcriptions and summaries. If you've uploaded pre-recorded content or other meeting files, Fireflies will transcribe those as well, keeping all your meeting information in one place. For users who want to get even more organized, Fireflies also allows you to create sound bites. These are essentially clips of key moments in your meetings that you can save and organize into playlists. For example, you could create a playlist with all the best sales pitches, or you could compile important customer service calls for training purposes. Sound bites can be incredibly useful for keeping track of the best practices within your team and for ensuring that key information is easy to access when needed. There's also an automatic contact management feature. Every time you have a meeting with someone, Fireflies creates a contact profile for that person, making it easy to revisit previous discussions and track your interactions. You'll even get an AI-generated bio for each contact, which can add a personal touch when reviewing past conversations. One of the standout features of Fireflies is its integrations with other business tools. Whether you're using Slack, your CRM, or project management software, Fireflies makes it easy to bring your meeting data into the tools you're already using. This allows you to streamline your workflow and ensures that meeting notes and transcriptions are shared with the right people. Fireflies works with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and others, which means no matter what conferencing tool you're using, Fireflies can easily be integrated. Another valuable feature is the AI apps that are available for users on higher-tier plans. These apps add an extra layer of customization and can be tailored to fit your business's specific needs. For example, businesses can use Fireflies to analyze customer support calls and even generate performance scores for agents based on their interactions. For sales teams, Fireflies can help track how well pitches are being received and give insights into how to improve performance. These tools can significantly enhance the way teams approach meeting and communication analysis, offering insights that would be difficult to gather manually. Not only is Fireflies useful on desktop, but it also has a mobile app. This is particularly useful for team members who need to manage meetings while on the move. Whether you're taking a call from a client or holding a quick team meeting, you can still take advantage of Firefly's transcription and summarization features directly from your phone. The app syncs with your account, so everything is updated in real time, and all your meeting data is accessible wherever you go. Fireflies also offers a Chrome extension, which integrates seamlessly with video conferencing platforms, making it easy to record and transcribe meetings on the fly. While some users might not find this feature as essential, it can be a useful tool for those who need quick access to transcriptions while in the middle of a meeting. So, is Fireflies AI worth it? Fireflies AI is a powerful tool for businesses that rely heavily on meetings and need a way to streamline the process of recording, transcribing, and summarizing these discussions. The transcription is typically accurate, and the AI-driven summaries make it easy to quickly grasp what happened in a meeting, even if you weren't able to attend. With features like sound bites, search capabilities, and integrations with other tools, Fireflies offers a robust solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether it's worth it for your business depends on your needs. If you have a team that holds regular meetings, Fireflies can save a considerable amount of time by handling the transcription and summarization work for you. The AI-driven insights, along with customizable features, make it an excellent tool for teams looking to improve productivity and collaboration.